Hi, and welcome to another Tech Bite. In some situations, we need to show specific data in a table row or a list item that might not be directly related to the data we are using on the aggregate. In our example, we work with products, names, prices, and shopping lists. We also know which products were bought and how many units. Each table row represents one entry on the shopping list. Products can appear many times depending on who bought them. However, what if we want to flag the products purchased over 100 units, no matter who bought them? Can we go to the Get Products by IT aggregate and get that information? Unlikely, since it'll probably affect the output unexpectedly. Should we fetch that data using a data action? No, because we can't run a data action for each row. Additionally, that flag shouldn't be placed directly in the table cell. Instead, we should create a new block. Right-click on the main flow, choose Add Block, and name it. This new block can then safely be placed inside the table cell without any issues arising later on that can affect the app's good functioning. Next, let's create the block's input parameter to specify data for each block instance. Name it as Product ID, representing the product to be passed on from the aggregate. On the block, right-click on Fetch Data from Database to create a new aggregate. Drag the entity shopping list and go to the tab filter on the top left-hand side. Click Add Filter and, on the Filter Condition window, filter the shopping list by product ID back at the main window. Right-click on the attribute quantity and get the sum function of all units. Back in our block, drag and drop an if widget. Set the if condition logic to fetch the sum quantity attribute we got in the previous step and compare it to 100. Finally, drag the flag icon to the true clause of the if the condition. After publishing and running our app, we now see that we have two products, books and spoons. But only the books were bought more than 100 times. Thanks for watching and see you on our next Tech Bite.